everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error 0x0 on Xbox Game Pass for Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Okay, the first step is to disable Goodbye DPI if you have it installed. So what you do is go to Windows R, and this will come up. Type in services.msc as like this. And you should find Goodbye DPI. Again, if you have it installed, it should be here. If you don't have it installed, then move on to the next step. The next step is to uninstall re-WASD or any other anti-cheat software like Vanguard for Valorant. This really messes up people's software. So if you have re-WASD installed, then uninstall it from the remove program. And in order to do that, go to Auto Remove Programs and just find re-WASD and uninstall it. The next thing you want to do is open Command Prompt. So type in cmd, right click and run as administrator. Okay, when you have this up and running, what you want to do is type in bcdedit/set hypervisorlaunchtype off. I will post this in the video description below, but copy and paste this in here. Then after you've done that, reboot your computer and then try to launch the game and see if it runs. Now if you've done that and it still doesn't work, what you want to do is make sure that the installation is on the same drive. So for Xbox Game Pass and the game need to be installed on the same partition. So for example, my Windows partition is C, and Xbox Game Pass is also installed on the C drive, but my Call of Duty is also on the C drive. However, if this is installed on a different drive, if this is installed on the D drive, and the Xbox Game Pass is on the C drive, this will not work for some reason. So make sure that they are installed on the same drive. Next, what you want to do is open up Xbox Game Pass, right click on Call of Duty, hit Manage, hit Files, hit Verify and Repair, and this seems to fix the issue for some people. And while you're here, if this didn't work, go to Browse, go to Call of Duty, go to Content, scroll down until you see COD.exe. If you didn't modify anything in Windows, you won't see the .exe, you'll just see COD. Right click on this and hit Run as Administrator, or hit Properties, Compatibility, run this program as administrator, and hit Apply. And that should fix the issue for a lot of people. And if you've done all of this and it still doesn't work, what you want to do is uninstall conflicting programs. If you have IQ, Razer Synapsys, DS for Windows, and other controller mapping or RGB software, it may interfere with the game. So try turning them off or uninstalling them and see if that works. And that is it. If this worked for you, leave the video a like. If this didn't work for you, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.